There is only this cause. Corrective action. Operator has to investigate. For the same wordings. I want to see the wording. Okay.
Response time for watershed.
Okay. Investigate. The low level, right? The low level
2.3 minutes, yeah. So less than 5 minutes or so.
in the first test separator. 21. Scenario and take suitable action. Suitable action. Okay. So response time is, what is the response time? Once you get alarm, this is high level, no?
This is low. This is high. Okay, sorry, high. High to high.
So
okay, we have less than 5 minutes.
Less than 5 minutes.
Yeah, we have less than 5 minutes and it's P1. So it's P. Less than 5
This
minutes.
is LCH. High level is different scenario, low level is, I think we were discussing about low.
High to high is less than 5 minutes also, based on our AGS category standard for sizing.
But this scenario, what we have taken cause here is LCB. So this will create high level
function close. Yeah, sorry.
No,
because we sorry, Chairman.
Yeah.
Because what we look into is the low level. Go back to the
But high, it would not lead to data or something like that.
Yeah, that's what we copied we copied the wrong. Go back to high level.
High level, this is not the consequence.
No, that's what we copied the low level. So let's go copy and the high level. Yeah, there you go. This is the one.
This one, yeah. This one, right?
Increase the liquid level in percent separator.
Yes.
Yeah.